How to save or download videos from Telegram to your iPhone or your iPad. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can download or save a specific video that you receive on Telegram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So to get started, make sure you're connected to the internet. Open up Telegram, open up a specific chat page where you've received the video. So I'll just accept and open up a random chat page here. All you need to do is, in order to download a specific video from Telegram, first of all, make sure you've received the video. So you can see this media that I've received over here. And if I want to download this, first of all, I need to simply open it up. Once I've opened up and played the specific video, what I want to do is, if you look at the top right hand side, you'll find the three vertical dots icon and the circular icon as well. So you want to make sure to just tap the three vertical dots, and then here you'll find a section that says save video. All you have to do is just tap on the save video button. Now you can see video has been saved to photos. Now you can repeat the process for any of the other videos and then download it to your device. What this does is that next time when you open the Photos app, it is going to actually download the video, and you can see that the video has been successfully saved to my iPhone. Now there are some other scenarios when sometimes you might receive a link to download a video. In that case, the link could require you an external app that could not be available on iPhones, by the way. So keep that thing in mind, because iPhone's Apple system has a very strong security point and it could not be available there. But if it does, you might want to follow the link, follow the instructions, and then you should be good to go in that manner. But to give you a rough idea, this is basically it on how you can download Telegram videos from your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.